Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for browsing or intentionally researching something that has brought you here. Today, I'll be making Jamaican styled curried sea crabs.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
So the first step for this video, we will clean the crabs and break them apart.
Okay, let's go.
For step 2, we will be preparing the seasonings. The seasonings that you will need are garlic, onion, scallion, and Scotch bonnet pepper. The net weight for the crabs is about 1 pound. However, I originally purchased 2 pounds. What you will need to season this amount is 2 cloves garlic, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 stalk of scallion, and 1.5 pack of Indian curry. This is how the crabs should look. For step 3, you should burn the curry. The aromatic that I used in this video is garlic. However, you could add onion or ginger, or all three, to create a great flavor. The amount of garlic that I used was 2 cloves. And now we're at step 4. Place the crab in the curry and let's get cooking. For step 5, I allowed the crabs to saute in the curry for about 3 minutes, constantly stirring to prevent sticking. As you can see, I'm showing you my fire and it's currently on medium to low heat. By the way, do you see the one shrimp that I have on the left hand side? I got it from the fisherman and I had to cook it with my crabs. So for step 6, I immersed the crabs in water about halfway, not fully, and allowed it to simmer for about 5 minutes. For step 7, completely immerse the crab in water and allow it to cook for at least 7 minutes. For step 8, check on the crabs, toss them around to facilitate even cooking. After an hour, the crabs will be fully cooked. However, I diced a potato and added it to the mix to create thickness for the gravy. So after checking the gravy, I realized it was still a little too thin and I wanted it to be thick. So I diced another potato and added it to the mix to create that thick gravy that's just so nice. After an additional 20 minutes, the potatoes were fully cooked and the ones that were semi-solid, I just squished them out and this created the perfect paste that I needed for a thick gravy. And to note, I added an additional half of Scotch bonnet pepper to the mixture as well as some salt to bring the flavors up after adding the potato. So here we have the finished product. Guys, I'm sorry, I totally forgot to do an after shot the day that I actually made the crabs. So these crabs are a couple days old. Don't judge me, sis. But yeah, this is how it turns out. And I tried garnishing it, but I'm not the best. So yeah, I did what I could do. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and help me to build this channel so I can continue making good content that you can learn from and hopefully teach others. So thank you so much for staying with me this long. Love, love, love. Woohoo! And at this point, I'm just showing you some fails when I tried like garnishing this dish and setting the garnishes appropriately and fixing the crabs. Let me tell you, sis, this was a hard part for me. Like this was the hardest part of this entire process because I don't know how to garnish. Like I always mess it up. The claws were hiding, the crab was hiding. Like it was just a whole mess. But I got a final shot for you guys. So yeah, that was my fave. I will highlight the one that I like. But yeah, that's some period poo boo boo. And remember, if you add a pinch of humility, 2/3 cup of patience and resilience, as well as 1 tablespoon of solicitude, this will create a complete recipe for the meal called life.